Hello YouTube, welcome to the Easy Fix YouTube channel. In today's video, we will show how to disassemble an Xbox One S. This device's HDMI port did not function and did not display any image to the TV. The HDMI solder job is not too hard of a task for the Easy team. In fact, we believe nothing is ever too hard for us here at Easy Fix. If you have needs for any type of electronic repair, down in the description below is our address where we take all of our mail-in repairs. We love a challenge every day. Don't hesitate to ship your devices to us. We always get the job done. If you're new to the channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to Easy Fix and ring that notification bell as we upload great content for our viewers at a very wide variety of electronic repair videos multiple times a week. Also, don't hesitate to slap that like button, as you always know it helps us out to create more videos just like this one. This is Ethan with the Easy team. Stay safe and enjoy the video.